In the competition for pickup truck sales, Ford is the industry leader. Even though the F-150 is the truck that sells the most in America, it also produces a very good compact truck. Actually, the first Ford Maverick was a two-door compact sedan that was manufactured between 1970 and 1977. The Maverick, named for unbranded roaming animals such as the longhorn cow that appeared on the car's emblem, was a reasonably priced small car that sold for about $1,995 in 1970, or about $15,000. After more than 2 million sedans were produced, the brand was removed in 1977 when production of the model ended. Ford revived the iconic nameplate in the early 2020s with a brand new tiny pickup truck built on the Escape's popular platform. The new Maverick, which is smaller than the midsize Ranger, was first available as a compact hybrid truck with an amazing 42 miles per gallon city EPA rating. The Maverick came with front-wheel drive as standard and an optional all-wheel drive system. It also included a larger 2.0-liter turbocharged engine for increased performance and a 4,000-pound towing capacity. For the 2024 model year, Ford has made a few changes to the Maverick. The primary modification is that the base model now comes standard with a front-wheel drive, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, while the hybrid drivetrain is an optional $1,500 feature. There is still the option to have all-wheel drive. The base XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels are still available. The XL is a basic work vehicle with lumbar supports for the seats, a remote keyless entry system, and a tilting and telescopic steering wheel. With its 17-inch aluminum wheels, dual-zone climate control, adaptive cruise control, power-locking tailgate, and other features, the XLT takes things to the next level. The top-of-the-line Lariat has an opulent cabin with faux leather-upholstered power seats. In addition to the 1,500 pounds of payload in the bed, a towing kit adds a maximum 4,000 pounds of towing capacity. The Maverick may also be customized to resemble an off-road rock climber with the Tremor package, which adds aggressive wheels and tires as well as some underbody protection. All Maverick models are 4-door crew cabs with a spacious back seat that can fit 5 people, regardless of the engine or trim level you select. Throughout the cabin, there are several practical storage containers, including 2 quite practical cubbies beneath the back seat. All Maverick models have an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen mounted in the dash, with standard features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless hotspot. Overall, the Maverick's interior feels more luxurious than one might expect, given its inexpensive cost. Even at the simplest level, the dash is organized logically and practically. Both the front and the rear of the vehicle have surprising amounts of space. With the tailgate down, the Maverick's small 4.5-foot bed, which has a 12-volt power outlet, can accommodate 18 4x8 sheets of plywood. Optional is a 110-volt electrical outlet. The Maverick is brimming with practical safety measures. All trim levels come with automated emergency braking as standard equipment, while higher trim levels add lane departure warning with lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. The 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder basic 2024 Maverick engine generates 250 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard, an electric motor, and a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine without a turbocharger power, the optional hybrid drivetrain. The hybrid variant has a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and a combined 191 horsepower. The hybrid only has front-wheel drive, although the standard engine can have all-wheel drive. In just 5.9 seconds, the gasoline engine with turbocharger can propel you from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Although it moves a little more slowly, the Maverick Hybrid completes the identical sprint in a respectable 7.7 seconds. You can tow 2,000 pounds with either engine and load 1,500 pounds with the other. The EPA estimates that the Maverick hybrid will achieve 42 city and 33 highway mpg. The turbo gas engine model with front-wheel drive will get 23 city and 30 highway mpg, and the all-wheel drive version will get 22 city and 29 highway mpg. In terms of comfort, the Maverick embraces the truck vibe more than its competitor, the Hyundai Santa Cruz. It has a rough ride quality that never seems to go away on cracked or uneven roads. Long journeys are no problem for the sturdy, supportive, and well-padded seats. However, when maneuvering on winding roads, it is awkward to brace against the rough plastic door panels that are directly close to your knees. The engine makes very little noise while driving on the highway, but it is a little rough when it is idle and when it is accelerating quickly. We also heard a very loud, unidentifiable powertrain noise coming from under the back floor. On the top trim lariat, these characteristics are a little more difficult to take. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration gave the 2024 Ford Maverick an overall crash rating of 4 stars, NHTSA. In the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, side impact test, the nearly identical 2023 Maverick scored an exceptional good. Pre-collision assist with automated emergency braking, pedestrian identification, forward collision warning, and dynamic brake support are all included as standard features. A driver alert system, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert are available as options with Ford Co-Pilot 360. The Maverick's all-wheel drive and 2.0-liter turbocharged engine combine to provide an EPA combined fuel economy of 25 mpg. We were able to easily reach that reasonable amount in the actual world. Our test Maverick achieved 27 mpg in a combination of city and highway driving on our evaluation route. A Santa Cruz actually outperformed it by 2 mpg on the same trip, but the Maverick's hybrid drivetrain truly wins out here if fuel economy is your main priority. The hybrid Maverick has the highest combined EPA estimate in the sector, 37 mpg. Most non-hybrid small automobiles are beaten by that. During testing, we consistently observed above 40 mpg combined in the real world, which is encouraging. In conclusion, the Ford Maverick 2024 embodies the spirit of a versatile and modern compact truck. With its hybrid technology, diverse trim levels, and practical design, it's a compelling choice for a range of drivers. Whether you're tackling city streets or venturing off-road, the Maverick delivers on performance and efficiency. Thanks for diving into the details with us. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive updates. Until next time, happy trails.